In this tutorial, we are building a journey in which when a new campaign gets created on Mailchimp, an email will be sent on Gmail. So let's start. Select Mailchimp as a trigger. Next, choose Create Campaign as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an account. Now in steps, we will send an email via Gmail. Select Gmail. Choose Send Email as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an account. Next, enter the email address of the recipient. Enter the specifications, add subject and message using Mailchimp app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Mailchimp. Create a new email campaign. Enter campaign title. Click on Begin. Go to the campaign. Select Segment. Enter campaign specifications. And send. Now get back to our journey to check the execution. Our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Gmail. We can see a new email in our inbox. In this way, we can create an automation journey to receive emails on our Gmail account when a new campaign is created on Mailchimp. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit Quickwork.